What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in again this week. And I know that I say that at the beginning of every single video, but I do genuinely mean that. Thank you guys so much. If it weren't for you guys hitting that subscribe button, I wouldn't even be able to create this video. But because you guys have hit that subscribe button so many times, we have officially passed 1,000 subscribers. And I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. Now, while 1,000 subscribers doesn't come with one of those fancy YouTube play buttons, if your wife is as amazing as mine, it does come with cake. And I think it's pretty obvious, I love cake. So while I can't share the cake with you, what I can do is share my sound effects guy, Glass Sounds sound library. I've actually been saving every single glass piece that I could get my hands on since my channel was even created. So in the description below, you will find a link to this Bandcamp page. Now, obviously it's still in draft mode right now because as of recording this, it hasn't quite gone live yet. But by the time you're watching this video, this link will be live and you'll be able to come in here and get access to 124 different tracks containing right around 600 different glass sound effects. It's the biggest sound library that I've created yet. Now, if you guys would like to support the channel, you're more than welcome to come in here and enter a dollar amount, but it is not required. You're also more than welcome to just enter 0 and you'll be able to download this entire sound library for free. So I did record myself creating every aspect of this sound library, but I quickly realized that you guys aren't here to watch me create sounds like glass slides across the table and bottles clinking together. You're here for the chaos, the destruction. You're here for sounds like plate glass window getting smashed and fat guy gets sliced by a giant shard of glass. But before we get into the grand finale of this video, there are a couple very special thank yous that I must distribute. First is my buddy Lennon for donating the copious amounts of adult beverage bottles, and a huge thank you to Braden's Glass here in Orlando for donating all of the plate glass windows for this sound library. Thank you so much, Braden, for your generous donation. So without further ado, I will end this video with a compilation of some of the best glass smashing visuals that I could record.
So again, I do want to give a shout out to Braden's Glass LLC. Sorry, I'm worn out. But thanks for the plate glass.
Alright guys, so that is going to wrap things up for this week's video. Again, thank you all so much for subscribing to the channel. If you'd like to be a part of the Sound Effects Guy Discord server, you will also find a link to that in the description below as well. Until next time.